Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Updating Tesla. Tesla actually returned to the end of our clear path, which is a little concept we teach. Also just shy of the 12.5 projection level, and that's an area, so big reversal pattern off of that. So we're going to be updating our retracement levels now. Based off this big reversal pattern. We'll get to the weekly in a second because this is a pretty strong topping pattern. Also see, even with this major spike up, new higher high, still lower high than even over here. Divergence on the daily. We'll check on the weekly. Don't know why that's not going off. There we go. All right. So I'm going to switch down these doubles now. This potential double top is no longer valid. Boy, this is having a rough time with think or swim right now. All right, there we go. So those targets come off. Right now, the key level based off the daily chart, you have the bottom of the rotation zone coming in at essentially the 25% retracement level. Remember, if we break below that, that's not a good sign on the daily. So we're watching the 346 area right in here. If we close below that, the next key area is the rising 50 with the 37.5 retracement, which is coming in at 330. And then the final key level based off the daily is a 50% retracement, which funny enough is coming in with a flat 200 simple moving average right around 312 to 313. So those are your critical levels. Now, if we do come back here and rotate back up and can get through the highest high, that would be the next target. If you get above this high from this week, the next target would be a 387.46, and then if we got through there, it'd be 396 or 395.96. Not looking for that right now, though, because of this pattern. Suggest from an educational standpoint, you look to move up your stops, especially if you're more of a swing trader. Now, the key area, the bottom of the rotation zone on the weekly is about this 320. And I'm really going to be focusing on this 313 based off a weekly pattern because that's where the 50 is. That's where the 200 is on the daily. The 50 is on the week, and the critical 50% retracement from this whole up move. You also see if we start moving lower next week, we have a higher high than here in the RSI. The RSI is nearly back to overbought territory on the weekly, and we have a divergence. Very key higher high with a down candle here, lower high in the RSI, right near the overbought territory. So I'm going to really be starting to watch for the bigger pullback based off the weekly, and that's how we're going to be treating our stops appropriately. The most critical area on the weekly, as I said, is this 320 and then the 313 area, the 50% retracement. So those are your key levels to watch for, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.